In order to connect your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G two-way computer and transfer data, you need to use the USB cable. In my case, I have my own USB cable that I use to connect to PC. So once we plug it in, like this, there we go, then we should be able to see the notification on the top. Let's see, there we go, we have the information about charging and USB for file transfer. So let's tap over here in order to make sure that transferring files is selected. So make sure that this option is selected. And now you should be able to find the storage on your computer. So after opening my PC, this is on Windows of course, we can go to our device, we can find the internal storage, and I can, for example, open camera folder with all the photos and videos that I made. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!